Okay, so we have this paint pot that I made and designed and made, and then I vapor smoothed it with acetone, and I thought it will be quite sealed. I mean, if you can see, it's basically uniform plastic, and so I thought it will work fine as a water pot, but I discovered it doesn't work as I thought. Basically, there is some. You see this white on the edge? I think there is a crack, or it wasn't. The layers wasn't sealed. Glued, melted together when it was vapor processed. Anyway, so what I wanted to show you that I came here. I thought I'll do some sealing with some epoxy or something else. I'll decide. But what I discovered, well, first of all, I discovered that it's leaking today, and that's why I realized that, well, it's not sealed and I need to seal it. So I, removed all the water, paper towels, everything, prepared it for sealing, and then I started discovering that, well, I mean, it does make sense if water goes from here out of here, then it means it's all over the place in between plastic lattice. You can see the lattices. If I look at through the light, you can see the lattice over there. And so basically, what I discovered is that you can get out of you can get this water out by heating it a little bit. And so what I'm waiting for water droplet to appear so I can show it to you. Oh yeah, you can see it at the top. You can see this droplet is growing. Let me just remove it so it's much more clear that the water is getting out. New water is getting out. All right, so oh man. Well, yeah, you can see how it's still forming. I just wiped it with the paper towel, but it's still forming. Okay, look. And it's growing. Yeah, anyway, so I'll leave it like this in my dryer that I converted to be the spool plastic dryer. And I'll just leave it and I'll try to dry it as much as possible. So yeah, basically this is my dryer. It's previously been food dryer that I converted to be a spool dryer while it's printing. So I'll just leave it here for a night, and hopefully all the water will come out from within the pot. Yep, that's it.